Good morning, students. Let's continue our discussion on trigonometric functions. Let us have a look at this problem. Prove that cos 42 degree plus cos 78 degree plus cos 162 degree is equal to 0. Let me take this LHS. Cos 42 degree plus cos 78 degree plus cos 162 degree. Okay, that's equal to 42 degree. I'll write 42 degree as 60 degree minus 18 degree. Why did I choose 60 only? Because this value we know, cos 60 degree is a well-known angle. 60 degree is a standard angle, so its value we know. So I wrote 60 minus 18. And this 78, what I do is I'll write this as 60 plus 18. And 162 degree, that can be written as 180 minus 18. 180 degree minus 18 degree is equal to 162 degree. Okay, here this looks like cos A minus B. Cos A minus B formula we know. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So this will become cos 60 into cos 18 degree, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That is plus sin 60 into sin 18 degree plus. Now look at this term. This looks like cos A plus B. Cos A plus B, that formula is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So that will become cos 60 cos 18 minus sin A sin B. That is minus sin 60 into sin 18 degree. Okay, here we need not go for cos A minus B formula. Here we can use cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta because it's in the second quadrant where cos is negative, so it will become minus cos 18 degree. Okay. Now here you observe we have sin 60 degree, sin 18 degree. Here minus sin 60 degree into sin 18 degree. So these two gets cancelled. Okay. So now what happens? Cos 60 cos 18 plus cos 60 cos 18 degree. Together it will give us 2 cos 60 degree into cos 18 degree minus cos 18 degree. 2 cos 60 degree into cos 18 degree minus cos 18 degree. What is the value of cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree is nothing but 1 by 2. So 2 into cos 60, that is 1 by 2 into cos 18 degree minus cos 18 degree. 2 gets cancelled. So we have cos 18 degree minus cos 18 degree which is equal to 0. That is what we wanted to prove. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Prove that tan 70 degree minus tan 20 degree is equal to 2 tan 50 degree. Prove that tan 70 degree minus tan 20 degree is equal to 2 tan 50 degree. Okay. See now, directly I cannot use tan A minus B formula. It's not like tan A minus B, it is tan A minus tan B. For that we don't have any direct formula. But we know a formula for tan A minus B, right? Tan A minus B, this formula we know. What is that formula? Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. This is a well-known formula, right? Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Now, I will bring this factor to LHS. So, we have tan A minus B into 1 plus tan A tan B is equal to tan A minus tan B. Okay, this is actually the same formula only, another version of the same formula. Tan A minus tan B is equal to tan A minus B into 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, remember this formula. This formula I would like to use here. In the given problem, if I consider LHS, there we need tan 70 minus tan 20 we have. Directly don't write, sir, I will take tan common and 70 minus 20 will give us 50, so we get tan 50. That's not correct. We cannot take that tan as common. Not allowed. Now tan 70, tan minus tan 20, I am using this formula here. In place of A, I have 70 degree, and in place of B, there is 20 degree. So that's equal to tan A minus B. A minus B means 70 minus 20, which is 50 degree, into 1 plus tan A tan B. 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan 70 into tan 20. Okay? Then that's equal to tan 50 degree into 1 plus, here tan 70 degree is there now. I will write tan 70 degree as 90 minus 20 into tan 20 degree. Okay? I am just writing 70 degree as 90 degree minus 20 degree. That's equal to tan 50 degree into 1 plus, what is tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. So, this will be equal to cot 20 degree into tan 20 degree. Observe, these two are reciprocals of each other, cot theta and tan theta. Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So, cot 20 degree is equal to 1 by tan 20 degree. These two gets cancelled. So, you have 1 plus 1, that is 2 into this. So, the answer is 2 tan 50 degree. That's exactly what we want. Okay? Then, let's move to the next question. If sin A is equal to 12 by 13, sin A is equal to 12 by 13, cos B is equal to 3 by 5, and neither A nor B is in first quadrant. Neither A nor B is in first quadrant. Then find the quadrant in which A plus B lies. Okay. So, they have given us sin A is equal to 12 by 13 and cos B is equal to 3 by 5. Neither A nor B is in first quadrant. So, that means A is not in first quadrant, B is also not in first quadrant. They have given sin A is equal to 12 by 13. 12 by 13, that is positive. Sin theta is positive means that theta, or in this case sin A is positive means that A is either in the first quadrant or in the second quadrant. But what they have given, A is not in the first quadrant, which suggests that A must be in the second quadrant. Okay. So, let me draw a right angle triangle. Let this angle be A. Sin A is defined as 12 by 13 here, opposite by hypotenuse. So, adjacent side will be 5. Sin A is equal to 12 by 13. Then what about cos A? Cos A is equal to 5 by 13, adjacent by hypotenuse. But should I write plus or minus? I have to write minus because A is in second quadrant. How do I know that A is in second quadrant? It is given that neither A nor B is in first quadrant. A is not in first quadrant. If A is not in first quadrant and sin A is positive, means A must be in second quadrant. Since A is in second quadrant, this cos A must be negative. So, cos A is equal to minus 5 by 13. Now, let me choose another right angle triangle here. Okay. See, this angle B, cos B is equal to 3 by 5. Cos B is positive means B is either in the first quadrant or in the fourth quadrant, because you know in the first quadrant all are positive and in the fourth quadrant cos is positive. Now, they have given cos B is equal to 3 by 5, which is positive. That is possible only if B is either in the first quadrant or in the fourth quadrant. Now, we know that B is not in the first quadrant, therefore, B must be in the fourth quadrant. So cos B, this is 3, this is 5, therefore this should be 4. Cos B I will write here, cos B is equal to 3 by 5. Then sin B will be equal to minus 4 by 5. Because B is in 4th quadrant, sin B must be negative. Sin B must be negative, minus 4 by 5. Okay. Now the question is, find the quadrant in which A plus B lies. A is in 2nd quadrant, B is in 4th quadrant. Where does A plus B lie? Okay. For this, what we do is, first we shall find out sin A plus B. Sin A plus B we shall find out. Check whether it is positive or negative. If it is positive, sin A plus B is positive, means A plus B is either in the 1st quadrant or in the 2nd quadrant. Then you find out cos A plus B also. If that is also positive, then A plus B is in the 1st quadrant. If cos A plus B is negative, that means A plus B is in the 2nd quadrant. If both are negative, sin A plus B as well as cos A plus B, both are negative, that means A plus B is in the 3rd quadrant. If sin A plus B is negative but cos A plus B is positive, then we can say that A plus B is in the 4th quadrant. Okay. So now I will find out sin A plus B. Sin A plus B, you know the formula, this is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That's equal to sin A, what is the value? 12 by 13. Cos B, 3 by 5. Plus cos A, minus 5 by 13. Sin B, minus 4 by 5. So this will give us 36 by 65 plus 20 by 65, that's equal to 56 by 65. So sin A plus B is 56 by 65, which is positive. So sin A plus B is positive, means A plus B is either in the 1st quadrant or in the 2nd quadrant. Now let us find out cos A plus B. Cos A plus B, you know the formula. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. That's equal to cos A cos B. What is cos A? Cos A is minus 5 by 13. Cos B is 3 by 5. Minus sin A. Sin A is 12 by 13 into sin B. Sin B is minus 4 by 5. So this is equal to minus 15 by 65. This will become plus 48 by 65. That's equal to 33 by 65. So cos A plus B is also positive. Sin A plus B is positive. Cos A plus B is also positive. Therefore, we can say that sin as well as cos both are positive. It is possible only if that angle is in the 1st quadrant. Therefore, A plus B lies in the 1st quadrant. Okay, did you understand? So after finding this, if both are positive, 1st quadrant. If sin A is positive, sin A plus B is positive, but cos A plus B is negative, then A plus B is in the 2nd quadrant. If both are negative, then A plus B is in the 3rd quadrant. If sin is negative and cos is negative, then that angle is in, then cos is positive, sin is negative and cos is positive, then that angle is in the 4th quadrant. Okay, let's look at the next question now. If 0 less than A comma B less than 90 degree, A and B are in between 0 and 90 degree, cos A is equal to 5 by 13, sin B is equal to 4 by 5. Then find sin A plus B and sin A minus B. Find sin A plus B and sin A minus B. Okay. So here both are in the 1st quadrant. A and B are in between 0 and 90 degree they have given. That means both are in the 1st quadrant. Cos A is equal to 5 by 13. Let me consider this angle as A. cos A is defined as adjacent by hypotenuse, so 5 by 13, therefore this is 12. Okay, so cos A is equal to 5 by 13, therefore sin A will be equal to 12 by 13. Here this is also positive because A is in the first quadrant. Then sin B they have given, consider another triangle. Let this angle be B. Sin B is defined as 4 by 5, opposite by hypotenuse, therefore the adjacent side must be 3. So from there I can write cos B is equal to 3 by 5, sin B is equal to 4 by 5. B is also in the first quadrant, therefore sin B as well as cos B both are positive. We want sin A plus B, right? Sin A plus B, you know the formula, that's equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That's equal to sin A 12 by 30, cos B 3 by 5 plus cos A 5 by 13 into sin B 4 by 5. So we get 36 by 65 plus 20 by 65, that's equal to 56 by 65. Okay. After that, we are asked to find out sin A minus B. Sin A minus B. Sin A minus B formula we know, that's equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That's equal to sin A 12 by 13, cos B is 3 by 5 minus cos A 5 by 13 into sin B. Sin B is 4 by 5. That's equal to 36 by 65 minus 20 by 65. Okay. 36 minus 20, that will give you 16 by 65. Okay, this is the value of sin A minus B. Let's go to the next problem. If sin alpha is equal to 1 by root 10, sin alpha is equal to 1 by root 10, sin beta is equal to 1 by root 5, and alpha beta are acute, prove that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. Sin alpha is given, sin beta is given. Given that alpha and beta are acute angles, acute means an angle which is in between 0 and 90 degree, greater than 0, less than 90 degree. Both are acute angles, that means both are in the first quadrant. Then we will show that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 radian is nothing but 45 degree. So in order to show that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, it is enough if I prove that sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by root 2, or cos alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by root 2, because sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. So it's enough if I show that sin alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4. Let me consider a right angle triangle here. This angle is alpha, I will take. Sin alpha is defined as opposite by hypotenuse. So here 1 by root 10. So 1 by root 10, opposite side is 1, hypotenuse is root 10. So if the hypotenuse is root 10 and the opposite side is 1, then this side will be 3, adjacent side will be 3, because Pythagoras theorem again. 1 square plus 3 square will give you 1 plus 9, 10, or root 10 whole square, that is 10 minus 1 square, that is 1, 10 minus 1, 9, root 9 is 3. Okay, so from there I can write sin alpha is equal to 1 by root 10 and cos alpha is equal to 3 by root 10. Sin alpha is 1 by root 10, cos alpha is 3 by root 10. Let me consider another right angle triangle. Let this angle be beta. Sin beta is defined as 1 by root 5 here. So this is 1, this is root 5, this will be equal to 2. 5 minus 1, 4, root 4 is 2. So from there I will write sin beta is equal to 1 by root 5 and cos beta is equal to 2 by root 5. Okay. Then I will find out sin alpha plus beta. Sin alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. That's equal to sin alpha into cos beta 1 by root 10 into cos beta. What is cos beta? 2 by root 5 plus cos alpha. Cos alpha is 3 by root 10 plus sin beta. Sin beta is into sin beta, that is into 1 by root 5. That's equal to, here we get 2 by root 50 plus here 3 by root 50. Root 10 into root 5, that will give you root 50. So 2 by root 50 plus 3 by root 50. So there is a common denominator in root 50. So I just need to add the numerator. So 2 plus 3, that is 5 by root 50. I will write root 50 as root of 25 into 2. So then it will become 5 root 2. Root 50 is nothing but 5 root 2. 5 gets cancelled. So you will get sin of alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by root 2. This will imply that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, because you know that sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. Now instead of sin alpha plus beta, you can go for cos alpha plus beta also. Okay, let's move to the next question. If a plus b and a are acute, a plus b is acute, a is also acute, are acute angles such that sin a plus b is equal to 24 by 25 and tan a is equal to 3 by 4. Tan a equal to 3 by 4. Find cos b. Find cos b. Okay. Sin a plus b is 24 by 25 they have given. Tan a is equal to 3 by 4 they have given. Both are acute angle. A is acute angle. A plus b is also an acute angle. Let me consider this triangle. Let this angle be a. Tan a is 3 by 4. So this should be 5. From there I can write sin a is equal to what? Sin a can be written as sin a is equal to 3 by 5, cos a is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, tan a we already know. Consider another right angle triangle. Let this angle be a plus b. Sin a plus b is defined as 24 by 25. So if this is 24, this is 25, what about this? That will be 7. 7, 24 and 25, Pythagorean triplets. 25 square is 625, 24 square is 576. 625 minus 576 will give us 49, which is the square of 7. Okay. So from there I will write tan a plus b is equal to 24 by 7. Okay. Now I am using this formula. Tan a plus b is equal to, what is the formula? This is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay. What is tan a plus b? Substitute 24 by 7 is equal to, tan a is how much they have given? 3 by 4 plus tan b we don't know, keep it as tan b only. 1 minus tan a is 3 by 4 into tan b. Okay. Now let us simplify. LHS I will keep it as it is, 24 by 7. On RHS I will take 4 as the LCM here. So it will become 3 plus 4 tan b divided by 4 whole divided by, here also I will take 4 as the LCM. 4 is the LCM. In the numerator you will have 4 minus 3 tan B. Okay, 4 gets cancelled. So you will have 24 by 7 is equal to 3 plus 4 tan B divided by 4 minus 3 tan B. 4 minus 3 tan B. Now cross multiply. 24 into 4, that is 96, minus 72 tan B is equal to this into this. 7 into 3, 21 plus 28 tan B. Okay, this 21 I will bring it to LHS. 96 minus 21, that will be equal to 75. Then 72 tan B plus 28 tan B, that is 100 tan B. From this I can write tan B is equal to 75 by 100, which is equal to 3 by 4. Tan B is equal to 3 by 4. But what is the question? Find cos B. If tan B is 3 by 4, cos B will be equal to 4 by 5. How 4 by 5? Consider another right angle triangle. Let this angle is B. Tan B they have defined a 3 by 4. So this should be 5. 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triplets. So cos B must be equal to 4 by 5 adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. Next. If cos alpha is equal to minus 3 by 5, cos alpha equal to minus 3 by 5, sin beta is equal to 7 by 25, pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi, and 0 less than beta less than pi by 2, then find cos alpha plus beta and tan alpha minus beta. Okay, find cos alpha plus beta and tan alpha minus beta. See here, they have given that cos alpha is minus 3 by 5 and alpha is greater than pi by 2 less than pi. That means alpha is in second quadrant. And sin beta is 7 by 25, beta is in between 0 and pi by 2, which suggests that beta is in the first quadrant. Okay, and now we are asked to find out cos alpha plus beta and tan alpha minus beta. Okay, so consider this alpha, cos alpha is minus 3 by 5, 3 by 5, this will be 4. So we have cos alpha is equal to minus 3 by 5. Then what about sin alpha? Sin alpha will be positive because alpha is in the which quadrant? Second quadrant, it will be positive. So I will write that as opposite by hypotenuse, 4 by 5. Then what about tan alpha? Because tan alpha we need while finding tan alpha minus beta, we need tan alpha also. Tan alpha is equal to minus 4 by 3, opposite by adjacent. Now why did I write minus? Because in the second quadrant tan is negative. Okay. After that, let me choose another right angle triangle. We will consider this angle as beta, 7 by 25. So this must be 24. So there they have given sin beta is equal to 7 by 25. Cos beta is equal to 24 by 25. And tan beta is equal to 7 by 24. Here all are positive because beta is in the first quadrant. Okay. Now, what and all we are asked to find out? Cos alpha plus beta and tan alpha minus beta. You know the formula, you just need to substitute and get the answer. That's all. Okay. So, first thing is cos alpha plus beta. That's equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha into sin beta. That's equal to cos alpha how much? Minus 3 by 5. cos beta, where is cos beta? 24 by 25 minus sin alpha 4 by 5 into sin beta is how much? 7 by 25. That's equal to 24 into 3 minus 72 by 125 minus 28 by 125. That's equal to minus 100 by 125, which is equal to minus 4 by 5. Cos alpha plus beta is equal to minus 4 by 5. Further, we are also asked to find out tan alpha minus beta. I will do it here only. Tan alpha minus beta. Tan alpha minus beta, that is equal to, you know the formula, tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. That's equal to tan alpha, how much? Minus 4 by 3. Tan beta, 7 by 24 divided by 1 plus tan alpha. Where is tan alpha? Yeah. Minus 4 by 3 into tan beta, 7 by 24. Okay. So, what happens here? I will take, okay, 24 into 3 only shall I take? Yes, to avoid all confusions. I will take 3 into 24, that is 72 else the LCM. 3 8s are 8 into 4 minus 32. Minus 24 3s are 3 into 7, 21. Here also 24 into 3 is 72. This will become 72 minus 28. That's equal to, here 72 gets cancelled. Minus 32 minus 21 will give you minus 53. And here what happens? 72 minus 28. 52 minus 8. 44. Right? 44. This is the answer. Tan alpha minus beta is equal to minus 53 divided by 44. Okay. Next question. If tan alpha minus beta is equal to 7 by 24, tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3, where alpha beta are acute, alpha and beta are acute, that means alpha and beta are in between 0 and pi by 2. Then prove that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2. Prove that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2. Okay. So, they have given that tan alpha minus beta is equal to 7 by 24. Tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3. We will show that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2. Okay. Now, tan alpha minus beta, you know one formula. What is that formula? That is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. In this tan alpha minus beta we know, substitute 7 by 24. Tan alpha is 4 by 3. Tan beta we don't know. Divided by 1 plus tan alpha. Tan alpha is 4 by 3 into tan beta. So, 7 by 24, here you take LCM, 3 is the LCM, 4 minus 3 tan beta divided by, here also 3 is the LCM, you get 3 plus 4 tan beta, that 3 gets cancelled. Okay. Now, 7 by 24 is equal to 4 minus 3 tan beta divided by 3 plus 4 tan beta. Cross multiply and simplify. We get 21 plus 28 tan beta is equal to 96 minus 72 tan beta. Okay. So, take this 21 to RHS, bring that 72 tan beta to LHS. So, we get 100 tan beta is equal to, what do we get? 96 minus 21, which is 75. So, tan beta is equal to 75 by 100, that is equal to 3 by 4. If tan beta is 3 by 4, okay, tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3, we have tan beta is equal to 3 by 4. Then what is alpha plus beta? Okay. See, I will consider this angle alpha. Alpha is equal to 3 by 4. Sorry, 3 by 4. What about beta? What they have given? Sorry, this is beta. Tan beta is equal to 3 by 4 we have got. What is tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Therefore, this angle must be equal to alpha. Right? Look at this triangle. This is the angle beta. Tan beta is equal to 3 by 4. And this is the angle alpha I will take. Tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3 we have. Then what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta must be equal to 90 degree because it is a right angle triangle. Right? Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. In that way you can write. Or else what you can do is tan alpha into tan beta. Tan alpha into tan beta. What is tan alpha into tan beta? That is equal to tan alpha is 4 by 3 into tan beta is 3 by 4. This product is equal to 1. Tan alpha into tan beta is equal to 1. This will imply that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2. Okay. Now you might be thinking, sir, how it is possible? I will explain briefly. If alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2, then I can write beta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. Right? Beta can be written as pi by 2 minus alpha. Now I want to know what is tan alpha into tan beta. That's equal to tan alpha, I will keep it as it is. Tan beta, in place of beta, I will write pi by 2 minus alpha. Beta can be written as pi by 2 minus alpha. Now tan pi by 2 minus alpha, this looks like tan 90 minus theta. What is tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. So you get cot alpha. Tan alpha into cot alpha. This product is equal to 1 because cot alpha is nothing but 1 by tan alpha. Right? Therefore, you remember that whenever alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree, then tan alpha into tan beta is equal to 1 and vice versa. That is, if tan alpha into tan beta is equal to 1, then we can say that alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So, with this I will stop today's class. Students, all the very best for your first test. It will be a very easy paper only. Most of the questions will come as it is from the textbook only, and of course numbers may vary, like instead of 60 degree we may ask you 30 degree, etc. So, very similar to the problems which I have solved in the class, similar models only you will get in the paper. Okay. Thank you.